cleaning a little bit up because we don't need this one. We probably don't need this one. We still have battery on this one, which is great. But let's put the lamps a little bit more in the back. We can also fix that one now. That's cool. Yep. Cameras are not 100% because I was in a hurry. Oh, there we go. This one can go over here. That one can go over there. This one over there. And then we should be better. Yes. Whew. Okay. Do you have everything set up? Yes, yes, yes. Pop out the chat. Don't forget that. But a little bit smaller. Should be all fine. The decibels should be better. I think I can put it up again. There we go. And background sound. I almost forgot the background sound. Yeah, there we go. Alright, we're set up here. To my own channel so I can actually see what I'm doing. Okay, the interface is weird again. Yeah. Oh, YouTube changed the interface again. It's so ugly. Yeah, I don't like it. Yeah, I really don't like it. I don't like roundy things in that way. Can you please not? Yeah. Stupid YouTube. Okay. I need my tools. It should be here. Go. Go. Okay. This one. And I can post because I was not able to set up the preview stream because yay, I got way too busy. Where are the channels? Why? There we go. Alright. There we go. So now we can go to the chat here. And we have the frames here. Chat there. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay. I was not able to set up proper, so I was not able to preview it because I had no bloody time to actually set things up. Yay. I'm missing one more screen. So the batteries are charging downstairs for the tank, which is going to be awesome. So let's go to this one. And cables everywhere. There we go. That one needs a little turn. There we go. Whew, okay, taking this one apart again, installing this one. At least I can see if this one actually works, because I have no clue how I installed all that again. That's a long time ago. Hopefully I can make it drive again. So first of all, let's get pieces out. Then I need to find out which area I cannot feel the difference. I think it's the left one. So let's gamble. Yep, it's this one. Cool. At least it's something else, because like I really want to work on the lamp, but I currently don't have a functional printer. So I was planning to make an extra lamp because I got the new design and a new way of assembling it. Hey, silent mode. But yeah, I don't have a functional printer, so looking at old projects and see what I can get ready for Form Next is on the planning. So that's only the lamps currently. But ooh. Oh no! This one cannot shoot. This one cannot shoot. This one is not able to shoot. Now I'm prepping this one for the Senji Mortimer Wrap-Up Festival in England, so I can show and actually do it in a drivable function again. At least that's the idea. Oh yeah, there we go. And while I'm not happy with how Blizzard works, and it's still a character from Blizzard, it's still a design that I made and I put a lot of time in this. So if I can make it able to drive around, it sounds cool. Form Next is already fully booked with the lamp setup, so that is fine. But yeah, I also have other stuff. And if I ordered my hotel already for Smurf, so that one is set. I just need to set up the ticket to drive there. And hopefully oh, that sucks, man. Just the budget, because I'm really on the limit of like doing everything, but at the same time I just want to do them because it brings more fun. But I hope you can find a way. I hope you can find a way, man. But yeah, then Form Next is all about the lamp, and hopefully at Smurf and print it in Rudesheim. I'm gonna hopefully I get a table. Maybe I get a table there and show stuff. I'm not sure, because new people go first. I'm already knowledgeable there, so no luck there. But yeah, taking all this apart again. I forgot how that one was attached. Come on. There we go. That one needs there. Okay, that's the cable wire that needs to go installed there. Oh, bloody hell, I forgot how this worked again. That is very important, man. If you don't do that, then you cannot progress. That's a good healthy thing, man. Like, focus first on yourself, and then you can focus on other things and expand again. But if you don't do that, then you're stuck. So that is a good thing, man. That is very much a good thing. And everyone complaining like, oh, you should do everything at the same time. Well, fuck them. I think spread over all the times, I think this is a project of 600 hours. Just fully designing, fully calibrating, fully make it installable, and everything. So yeah, this one is a beast of designing because I did this in not in Fusion. I ended up in Fusion, but I did 3ds Max. So modeling wise, yeah, this was a lot harder. Modeling wise, this was a lot harder. Okay, we got that one now. But yeah, I'm happy that you're realizing what you need to do. Do that, and when you have space again, you can do the other stuff again. And get all the things together. There we go. That one is over there. Because if you don't have your life straight, then you cannot do anything. And if your life or your path is not correct, then you cannot go forward or backwards. You're stuck. You're stuck in that loop of like, what are you doing now? And I think that's a very important thing to do, man. So yeah, I'm prepping all this, and hopefully people really like this and see my channel more, and that grows, and maybe it explodes, but I don't know. You never know where you go until you try, but you also need to know that you can try it. That's kind of a good thing to know, because some people really try it and then realize like, oh, right, I couldn't do it. Nope, this is gonna be my first time, and directly as a content creator, so not as a visitor. And I'm gonna talk with a lot of people, introduce my lamp. If you have just seen my latest short, you can see that I now have made my lamp fitting on my backpack. And I can walk around there with a lamp on my back. And hopefully that's... Yeah, I know, I'm already training for that, man. I'm currently walking at least 30 minutes a day. And I'm trying to increase that without wrecking my feet, so the repair of my feet is going good. And yeah... yeah, I know what's gonna happen, man. I have 2 days of a maker fair and only standing there, not even walking, because I was stuck at my lamp and my boot. I couldn't see any other project, any other boot. So this time I just want to put my big lamp at the boot that's gonna make space for me, so I can put my big lamp there and a couple small lamps, and then I can walk around with my backpack lamp. And hopefully that attracts people again, that people start talking to me because I have an interactive on my backpack. Like, ooh, okay. Wait. That's on and off, that is charging, and now I need to... Uh-oh. Oh! I have tie ripped them. Yay! I actually have tie ripped them, so I know which one is which one. I'm smart. Okay, so I'm excited because these 3 cables have a designated destination on the other 3 cables. And as you can see, I have tie wrapped them in numbers. So 1 tie wrap, 2 tie wraps, 0 tie wraps. And the same with here, 1 tie wrap, 2 tie wraps, 0 tie wraps. So, whew, I was a bit afraid that I didn't do the cables correct, so yeah, that can go wrong, because this system here will get a LiPo attached to it. Yeah, and if you do that wrong, Something is gonna burn and explode. And it's probably right in my face. I don't want to do that. Please no. Okay, so this is all this side. This one, this one, this one, this one. So we're gonna put this one over here. Now we're gonna disassemble the other one too, because I'm gonna do it without the tank, attach all the wires, see if it actually works. Hopefully. Oh, right. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I have not checked this one. This one is not marked. Oh, shit. Okay, so wait. Ground, receiver fan, S plus, ground plus. Okay, I need to check it on the other side. The other side is still plugged in, so I can check that on that side. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna detach this one now too. Don't fuck up. Don't fuck up. Oh. Yeah, I'm decently happy that the backpack version works. I already broke it one time, so it's already damaged, but hey, that's a cool feature. Then you can actually see a little bit of the inside. But yeah, Formax is coming, then Senji, the Smurfs, or Senji Mortimer Rapper Festival printed. Then probably after or in between there you get the Maker Fair in Prague, so the one at the Prusa area. And there's one other probably in Sweden that they want to do something, and they should contact me, so hopefully in time. But it's like all rolling around and like cool. Like, if you contact me, I know. Alright, get the nail in, get this one here too. But everything is just I'm trying to keep up. Wait, why is this one not? Okay, there we go. Now. But yeah, hopefully I can make this one drivable again. Hopefully it's gonna be cool. Yeah, I have other projects here too, so if this one goes fast, I have other old projects that I can revisit and just inspect, because like I told at the start, I currently don't have a functional working 3D printer. I'm hopefully in a couple days get new parts from Prusa so I can install it and upgrade it. Well, the ones I can make contact with, I think. I think it's mostly the people I see and meet and make contact there, other content creators, maybe businesses that are like, hey, you're interesting, we can sponsor you in a way. But I don't know. Well, it's taken apart because I had a physical problem and I needed to adjust the belts every time because Prusa support was saying, hey, do belt tension, this, that, and that. And now my belt tension is broken because the... There we go. So this one should be in here. So this is the tensioning of the belt. So this is in the left and the right top corner by the door, and that one falls. And you can then tension your belt with this system if you use that screw. But the square nut in here got loose. So I can turn whatever. This screw is now stuck and the nut there is loose. So I cannot get it out because to get to the nut, I need to get this part away and insert it from the back inside. So like it's stuck like this. I cannot reach it. Like, yay, thanks, yeah, that's awesome. Yippee yay. So yeah, The screw got stuck, the nut is loose. Cynical, huh? Damn it. Yep. it's but yeah, they sending over a new rail, so hopefully the rail problems get fixed. And fixing that part, hopefully I can print again, and hopefully in 2 weeks I get the rhetoric back again, because someone else is doing a full repair on it. Because we built it together, and yeah, he made a couple mistakes. We both made a couple mistakes, and he is now doing his darnest best to fix the printer. And if those two are up and running, I can print 5-6 lamps in around 4 days. So as long as I have 2 weeks, and as long as it's not the 30th, yeah, I have 16 more extra spare days just for being prepared for Form Next. So that it should all come together. And if not, well, we work with what we have and not with what we want. I think for me that's the most important vision that I'm trying to build up, because I had such a long problem with being a perfectionistic person that you never can do anything. And that's a very bad habit to have. So it's better to focus on what you can do and what you have than focusing on what you want. Because a lot of things that you want are not always the best things you need. I think if I say that correct? I think I say that correct, yeah. It's not always the things you want that you need. Yeah. Yep, mostly that. There we go. Okay, so now I can see this one here, this one here. Now we can see this one. Okay, black on the exceed, so like a little bit hard to see, but now we can see how this one is plugged in next to it, and black on the outside. So now we can safely put that one in. So now we know that one. So if we go back to the other side, we can mirror that and have the same objective. And yes. So there we go. We're gonna need to plug it in anyway, so safety first. And yeah, being a perfectionist is helpful in a lot of things, but in a lot of states also not. It's good to understand when you know that your perfectionist is going too far. But it also helps because you realize what you can and what you can't do. But that switch of knowing I need to stop now, or this is what I can do the best now, and this is the limit I want to put on, that's the part of realization. Okay, why is this cable loose and not there? Oh. I don't get it. Why is this one cable missing? Here they all go in. Oh. I want to check that. Okay, I want to check that. Okay, we need a bigger one. I think it's this one. Nope, too big. Too big. let's go. Okay. And this stuff is also old, it's getting rusty. I mean, this is a project from 2018, so I'm not surprised. Okay. All the wires. Yes, weird. Okay, so that's 2 pins in, that's 2 pins going out, that's the connection pin, yes. Okay, that is still fine. Okay, now we need to scramble this all back. That's gonna be not fun. Okay. Okay, how do I do this again? Is there space? Okay, there's space here, so as long as the cables are not being stuck there, then it should be fine. Okay, this is the important one. As long as that one is there, then we have that. Okay, cool. Then we have the battery there and the battery here. This one should be now also connected, and now I just need to puzzle out which one I do need here, because I can disable that chip. Then that one charges. So this is where it goes in. That one is where it goes in. Reliance. Back in the day I thought it was Reliance, but that's 2 L's. So I was playing EVE Online, the really big game, and I got shouted by my captain with around 2,000 people in voice. And it's like, Reliance! What's the report? Because I was a scout scanner, and I was like, I was not reacting because I thought my name was Reliance, but it's Reliance, so I stuck with it because I'm a dyslexic idiot, so I always thought my name was Reliance, but it's Reliance because it's 1 L, not 2. Not 2. That was fun. I got shouted a lot for that. Anyway, I need to grab the battery, so hopefully they are now fully charged. Be right back. Well, I can still talk, I'm just not able to see the chat. I always forget that my headset works pretty good. Okay, should be fine. It's more charged than not. It's not hot, so the battery is still good. Cool. Yep, connection break. I know. Okay, they're not blown up. So that's good. Let's go back up and see if the actual wires still work. And nothing blows up, of course. But at least we're recording it if it blows up, and hopefully not in my face. Oh yeah. Alright, there we go. So that's 2 lipos that also fit in the tank. Yeah, I'm not nervous at all.
24/7 London Radio.
Okay. So this one does not need to be connected because that's the charging cap. Okay, that is on. Also, I made special buttons here that I can flip the whole power system to the battery off, on and off, which is really great. Because if you don't have that and something goes out and the battery goes too low, you lipos are still scary. Alright, so now we're going for this one. Let's see if this one actually... I don't see why here. Shit. It's not too hot, still in. Okay, this one went on. Okay, now this one is off too. Shit. I have no clue. We just saw a light. Did a cable disconnect? No, all the cables are still in. Yes. So... there we go. Okay, that's one, yes. And we don't have a working here, so this means that this one should be at the same position to... this one should already be on. That's not good. Maybe we need to power up the controller? That's the back one. Yeah, this one should be on. That one is not on. So that might be that the charging battery is not too full. Which is weird because it was already charging for an hour and this one took 2 hours. So what is wrong here? Is it just old? Yeah, I think it's just old. Fuck. Yeah, sad face. Or maybe it's that I pulled something out here. Okay. It all looks good. Yes. I still remember that one. I still remember that one. So that one gets powered on that field. That's a disconnect. It was always loose. This is the last strip that I should see. Okay, so... one is working, one isn't. Okay, switch the batteries. So off and off. Is it the battery? Is it the battery or is it something the cable? So if we switch it around and that one works and this one isn't, it's the battery. And then it sucks because I don't know how to get these ones. So let's see. Yeah, I don't want to touch that, but the cables are both connected. They're all in. Cables are good. And now, yeah, this one is still working. So something there is not working. Okay, so can we still hotwire the controller here and see if the engine works? So number two, number two, let's see. So it's off. Number one to number one. Let's see if this actually works. Because if it doesn't work like this, it maybe is a small overload or something. Well, that's something. Oh, I cannot remember what the beeping problem was again. I need to look it up, I think. But we got one working. The other one should do the same problem, so... Should not be in the cables. I'm not remembering correctly, so that's the hard part. That one is correct. This one is working. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. The receiver is on that side, and that side is not working, so this one is not connecting because it's the other cable. Ah, boo. Yeah, it's, yeah, power cable on that one. So something here is wrong. Okay, I need to switch this, so let's put it all on here. Okay, something on that side, cable-wise, is wrong. But now I need to find out what. Is it that black-white? Oh. Wait, outside this one. Is this working? Nope. That is outside. Red is outside. But if we look in the mirror mode, it's not doing anything. It's not the cable itself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No. This one isn't either, so it's on or off, so it's not getting power. So we have the battery, we swap the batteries, they both work. Because if I swap it, that side is working, right? Because if we swap this one again, should work. So this one, yeah. Okay, so it's not the battery. Ooh, it's not the battery. Well, but yeah, okay. So, what is it then? Is it the controller? No, it's going in there. I don't have the equipment to actually fully test the cables, so that sucks a little bit. Yeah, it's doing that because it's not connecting to the receiver. The receiver is not alive. Oh, now I remember. Yeah, now I know what to do with this. This is the manual power supply instead of using one of the motors. But I don't know how much voltage this is. So if we know the voltage, then is that on the package? No, that's German. So 4 channels. Well, I don't have the full manual, so that's the problem. Okay, so how much voltage is the end? Because this is 12 voltage stacked together, right? This is 12. So is that thing also, yeah, that thing should also be then receiving 12. Ooh, okay. Okay. Okay, so now I need to move a lot of cable stuff in the back here. So let's move this for now here. And let's see how we get here. So okay, we have these two. Let's put them at 5 volts first. Yes, okay, 5 volts. On the voltage should not damage it that much, that it just doesn't work. But the problem is I cannot reach it. So there we go. Pretty sure that this cable goes over there. This cable goes over there. So no, okay. First, because it says 3.3 voltage, I'm gonna lower it to voltage to 2. We're lowering the voltage to 2, and we go up until it starts working. Okay, so 1. Okay, nothing. I'm stopping. Okay, didn't smoke anything, but at the same time, I'm up to 12 volts and it's not doing anything. No, that's the power supply. Are the cables just old or? I feel the click here, so I assume it's just connecting. The cables look connected. Ah, boo. Boo, 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 boo. What can it be? It's probably this thing itself. Oh, it might be this one. Oh, that sucks. It's a stabilizer. This one is also correct. The inside also looks correct. There's nothing broken or damaged. All the cables here are correct. Do not want to flip that around. Ah, boo. This is never gonna work, so now it's just a showpiece of just standing around. I'm a little bit sad. I was hoping that we can drive around with it, but no bueno. I have not the expertise currently, or the materials, or the equipment to puzzle this one correctly out. So that's a little bit sad, but yay. This hole looks correct. Yep, okay. And the cables all look correct. That's the light check, that should be fine. That's the power supply, should also be fine. Is there nothing else that we can do here? Nope. No, this all should be correct. I never had to touch this. It's in there because this one is working. Yeah, that sucks. I don't know how to fix that. Oh, boo. Boo, 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 boo. Okay. But at least we can assemble it again, and then it's a showpiece of, hey, this is a project of 8 years old and still working. Well, still working. It's still not falling apart because some plastics are very bad and this one doesn't, because the plastic is still decent. It's getting a little bit dirty, but it's still there. Okay, let's pack in the main body first. That's kind of the important one. So let's get this one in. Okay, welcome by the puzzle. Oh, right. Which was the back again? I don't know. Well, I didn't make an alignment here, so that's the front, this is the back, so probably needs to fit like that. Okay, so that's there. Let's install it. Let's see what goes. There we go. Rusty old hex nuts. Hex screws. Nut nuts. Those are not here. Is it then still worth it to take it apart and bring it to others and show it? I don't know. It's a nice big prop and kids love tanks. They're always asking if it's driving and nope, not anymore. Is it then worth to still show it? Is this still worth to show if it's not fully functional? It's a cool prop and it shows 8 years ago people with a 3D printer already could make, and then you can see the difference between the quality from right now. So that's a cool part. Yeah, okay, I dig that. Yeah, okay, I like that thinking, because then we can still show the things. Got that one. Please this side goes easy. Oh, no, too big. There we go. At least we looked at it. If we didn't, we would always assume like, it's not gonna work, and now we know. At least for now. Maybe when I get better equipment and different equipment, I can test it better. But for now, it's literally broken. Cannot change it. So it sucks, but at least we have something. And then I can directly recharge the batteries again. And the battery's like, I'm alive 5 years later, and like, nope, decharging again. It's 12 volts. Can I find a use for this? I can find a use for this. I definitely can always find a use for something. But, come on, get on. Cool. Cool. At least that's that part again. So, decharge. Oh, I'm a bit sad now. Yeah. It sucks it doesn't work for now, but I was a little bit hoping like, hey, maybe it just drives, but you never know, right? You never know. At least we can disconnect this one and show it. There we go. Because this part is still cool, like how I came up with this system to actually get the fast drone motor to slow down enough that it works on the tank treads. Yeah. Alright, so now. Okay. So this one goes in here. And then this one goes there. Okay, so first the outside panels. So that's a lot easier to do now. Okay, that one needs to go there, that one needs to go there. Okay. Oh, that's the big one again. Let's see. Yep, there we go. That fits in. Okay, that one is in. Yep, come on.
to our station sponsor, the Center for Stress
But
Management.
you have to think about it, man. This is an 8-9 year old project. I think 8 years. Yeah, I think we're in the 8 years already. That hole's not correct. There we go. Yeah, it's getting there. I mean, how long ago did I post this? How long ago did I post this? I need to watch Instagram. Instagram. Let's see how far back we go. I mean, the tank was done in 2009, so that's 6 years ago. But the first post was of the big one was in let's make the big one. This is where I started making the big one. 2017, 2007, 2005, 3 plus 5. Yeah, that's 8 years. So I was not off 8 years. This project is 8 years old, and the plastic is still decently okay. Yeah, it looks very bad. It's done on a Delta, which is not the best printer if you. Oy, oy, oy. Wait. There we go. But yeah, this is an 8-year-old project. Damn. This project is 8 years old now. I feel old. Can you imagine? I mean, not many projects survive it for that long. It's standing on the shelf for 8 years. So for 5 years I didn't use it, yeah. Because before Corona I disassembled the power. Okay, that's good again. Oh shit. No, that's not good. Dude, yeah. Okay, do I have a big screwdriver? Yes. Do I have that? Because the screws are loose. We don't want loose screws. Screws are there to be tight. Oh, and now this is gonna suck. I guess I should have done it on the back. Yeah, there we go. Okay. A little bit better. Okay. It's better than just hand tightening. Alright, so now that's a lot of cables. This one needs to go here. Black on the outside. Black on the outside. Because hopefully, like, maybe we can fix it somehow in time. So we want to reconnect all the wires as best as we can. Black on the outside. Don't forget. should have gone, but yeah. A little bit sad, but hey, it's better than nothing. There we go. I mean, at least I was smart enough to make it able to disassemble. Otherwise, if I glued this, I could not even check if this was working or not. So, I am happy that I prepped mentally for this part. No, nothing there. That's better. So at least I prepared for repairability, and I kind of do my best to do that in every project. So if you cannot repair it, then that just feels wrong. Yeah? It feels wrong. It just feels wrong. It's you want to be able to repair stuff. Come on, go in. I know you can fit. There we go. Perfect. There we go. Okay, last one, and then the tank threads. There we go. Ew. That's not good. This one is out. I didn't see that one. Oop, come on. Go back. Now we can go in. Now we get it. There we go. Yep, there we go. This one should have one, right? Nope. Okay, that's weird. That one's just completely missing on this side. Oh no, it's there, it's there. Okay. Whee! I mean, the thing was cool that you can actually control it like this and just do the turning, but yeah, this one is out. I can check online, maybe I can find a new one and repair it, but I give that a low chance. Because this stuff kind of updates very freakingly fast. So, okay, let's get this one out, screw in. Okay, now's the hard part, is getting the screw clicked in back in again. Can I still do it? Okay, get them tight. Ha! First try. Still can do it. I still can do it. Oh, happy. I can still do it. After 5 years of not doing it, I can still do it. Hallelujah. I'm very happy about that I was able to get it in, because first couple times that took a really long practice time. Oops, there we go. A little bit on that side. There. Okay, this is hopefully... Oh, I can still do it. I'm still gonna clean it a little bit because it's very dusty. But I'm really happy. Nope, this is the wrong side. This is this side. Ow. Don't break it now. It's gonna be hard to reprint because I really don't have this color of plastic anymore. And you get 2 colors of gray. I need to reprint everything just for a statue is not something I want to do. So if I don't break this, I will be very happy. And I drop it. I say I don't want to break it and I drop it. Yeah, this is all done on a small Delta printer, so I didn't have space to do this in one go. Because normally you can do this in one printer now and like be done with it, but I couldn't. I had a small Delta printer which was very small to print on. Alright, let's see if this one... Okay, that's better. Where's that one? Okay, that's better. Because this one was not clicking correctly. And now it is. That's what I want. Yes. Cool. So get this part. Did I do this correctly? I probably hope so. Did it the wrong side around, but I don't care for now. It's fine. Oh yeah, I am. Oh, my sugar is not good, I think. Ooh, my sugar. Nope, not my sugar. Let's see how my sugar is doing. Okay, sugar's doing fine. And why? Oh, there we go. Yep, and shut up. Don't. Table is too empty, so the camera is gonna. Okay. Yeah, it's a short stream, but I think I'm gonna end it for now because like I really need the printer back. So hopefully before Tuesday or maybe Tuesday I can assemble the printer again and do it on a stream. I don't know. That's the next step. I'm sad that the tank is not working, but maybe I can puzzle something out off stream, but I will see. I'm still happy that this part is visible so you can actually see what the turning of the gears of. This is kind of what started the mechanical parts for me in 3D printing and making all this stuff. Puzzling this one out. It was not fun because this one goes so bloody fast. Like the tank can actually, with this system, can go around 40 kilometers an hour if you actually have the gear ratios correct, but the plastic will go so fast and the tank will just launch forward that the moment you crash into something, something's gonna snap. It's just a guarantee that that's gonna happen. So there is no stopping that, and there is enough friction that the heat of the friction will melt Patchy. It's funny, but yeah. Welcome to a drone motor. They are insanely fast. It's still cool. It's still cool. Alright. This was my short stream. Hopefully next time I can work on the lamp or on the printer again and make progress.